This thing's always a pain to get off. There we go. So now that you're in it, set that to the side, and then you want a T10 driver and take out all the green screws. And if you're going to take it apart further than just taking the cover off, you want to take all the screws out. But if you just want to take the cover off, just take the green screws off. When you get that off, you're going to pull it apart on the back and then lift it up like this, and then there you go, you're inside of it now. Now all you gotta do is take these covers off and stuff. There's a little cushion right here. And that's how you get into it to clean it. So anyways guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.